Okay, our next activity is called thumbs up, thumbs down. And I'm going to give you a number of statements. They're going to be related to reproduction, menstruation, and fertilization. If you think the statement I'm saying is true or a fact, I want you to just say thumbs up, or give me the gesture thumbs up. And if you think the statement is false or a myth, I just want you to show thumbs down. Okay? All right, so the first statement is, estrogen and progesterone are the female sex hormones. Thumbs up or down? Great, and that is indeed a fact. Okay, the second statement. A girl generally starts her period somewhere between the ages of 8 and 10. Thumbs up or down? Okay, good. And that is a myth. Girls usually start the period between the ages of 10 and 15. Every person's body is different, so the age varies greatly.